Why do we hiccup? You clutching your chest after a soda? Ugh, why do these annoying hiccups even exist? Turns out it's not really about your throat. It's a glitch from your prehistoric past. Your brain freaks out and hijacks your diaphragm with a sudden squeeze. Think of it like a faulty alarm system for your body's most important muscle. That hic sound? That's just the emergency door slamming shut on your windpipe. So next time you hiccup, don't blame the spicy food. Blame your inner caveman's weird wiring. Like and subscribe for more 30-second facts.